Hi, welcome to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. Christmas is coming, the goose is getting fat. It's time for Christmas earrings. Let's do it. This pair of very traditional earrings is made with your basic seed beads, some medium-sized jump rings, some great big jump rings, and an ear wire. Very simple, sometimes a bit challenging, so I've done a few of these in advance, but I'll show you how to make each one of these little rings. Open up one of the large jump rings and put 6 of your seed beads on that jump ring. Now sometimes you'll have to pick and choose, because occasionally you'll get one that has a hole size that's just a little too small. They're not perfect, but most of them fit on there. We're going to put 6 red seed beads on this one. Don't drop it. You'll lose all those seed beads you just put on. Been there, done that. Got the t-shirt. There we go. 5. And 6. And close that one up. And once you've got these seed beads all put onto your rings, it's super easy after that. Pick up one of the smaller jump rings. Hang a big red seed bead ring on there and close it. Always rotating when you close your jump rings. Another one of those medium jump rings, and we'll put a white one on. We'll put this medium jump ring on there, and then another white one, and close it. Pick up another medium jump ring, put a green one on, through the medium jump ring, and another green one. I think you're getting the feel for this. Close that. Another medium jump ring, a red, go through the medium jump ring at the top, and another red. Close it. It's almost a chainmail sort of design. Another medium jump ring. White. Through there, through that medium jump ring. And then another white. And close it. And then for the last one, there we go. Take another medium jump ring. Green. Through the medium jump ring at the top. Keep my whites separated so that one's on either side. Another green. And the ear wire. There you go. A beautiful, simple pair of traditional Christmas earrings. Great for your bazaar, your family or friends, whatever. Thanks for joining me at the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Making Studio. You can get these products at firemountaingems.com. Have fun. Happy beading.